Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, ma'am. So, we are the group 4. So, we discuss the evolution of 500 peso, 500 peso material use, 500 peso important figures, and 500 peso always counterfeit. So, I discussed the evolution of 500 peso in the Philippines. So, makikita natin dito sa screen natin yung evolution ng 500 peso. So, ang una dyan is yung 500 peso silver certificate. Noong 1905, 1918, 1936, meron ng perang papel na 500 pesos. Ang nakalagay dito ay si Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, ang unang gobernador general ng Pilipinas. Historical context, in 1905, Philippine Island silver certificates were first issued featuring portrait of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. In 1918, these were replaced by treasury certificates backed by government bonds. 1918 to 1936, different series of treasury certificates were issued with Legazpi's portrait and varying colors and seals. 1936, Commonwealth treasury certificates were issued with Legazpi's portrait. At noon, ang Japanese government in the Philippines ay nag-issue rin ng 500 peso bill dahil sa nangyaring hyperinflation sa panahon ng World War II. Ang mga pera ay tinawag na Mickey Mouse money dahil ito ay halos walang halaga. Next dito ay English series 1951 to 1959. Makikita natin dito sa 500 peso, andyan sa PPT, ang taong nakalagay dyan ay si dating Pangulong Manuel Rojas na ngayon ay makikita natin sa 100 peso. Next is the New Design Series 1987 to 2018. Ang nakalagay na rito ay si dating Senator na si Benigno Aquino Jr. At ang kulay ng pera ay dilaw na hango sa kanilang political color. Nakalagay din dyan sa 500 peso yung famous quotes ni Benigno Aquino Jr. na the Filipino is worth dying for and faith in our people and faith in God. Sa likod ng pera naman ay pinapakita ang mahalagang bahagi ng buhay ni Benigno sa edad na 17. Siya ang naging youngest war correspondent sa panahon ng Korean War dahil na rin sa pagiging journalist nito. Ngunit, nailagay din pala si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos sa 500 peso pero hindi ito na-circulate o nailabas noong 1985 dahil sa mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari or politics intervene. Next is yung New Generation series noong 2010. Makikita natin dito na dalawa ang tao. Ito ay ang mag-asawang si Benigno Aquino Jr. at si Corazon Aquino. Makikita rin sa 500 peso bill ang monumento ni Ninoy Aquino. And the last is the 500 polymer banknotes. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. received the first Philippine Polymer Banknotes series from Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, Governor L.E.M. Remolona Jr. during a ceremony in Malacanang on December 19, 2024. The polymer series is composed of the 1,000 peso polymer banknote which was introduced in April 2022, as well as new polymer denominations 500, 100, and 50 peso.
Ito naman yung material use sa 500 peso. Ito yung sinauna, yung si Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, also known as silver certificate. Ito yung 80% cotton and 20% abaca fiber, which is matibay siya. Hindi siya madaling pikein. Tapos hindi siya madaling pikein, matibay siya, parang hindi siya madaling mapunit. Parang yung ginamit na material use sa 500 peso, ito yung sinauna, yung si Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, also known as silver certificate. Ito yung 80% cotton and 20% abaca fiber, which is matibay siya. Hindi siya madaling pikein. Tapos hindi siya madaling mapunit. Parang yung ginamit na ink, ganon, maganda. Kaya nagtagal din siya. At yung susunod naman is yung Mickey Mouse Money. Ito yung perang hindi nagtagal kasi manipis lang siya. Madali siyang mapunit. Kaya tinawag siya na Mickey Mouse Money kasi sabi nila para lang daw siyang laruan kasi madali siyang mapunit. At yung susunod naman is yung kay Manuel Rojas. Ito din yung 80% cotton and 20% fiber. Ito is gawa ito sa matibay na papel na may halong cotton at abaka, kaya hindi siya madaling mapunit kumpara sa Mickey Mouse Money. Kasi yung Mickey Mouse Money is manipis talaga siya, madali siyang mapunit, kaya hindi rin nagtagal. At yung susunod naman is yung si Benigno Aquino Jr. Ito din is para lang din siyang yung sa mga naunang pera, yung kay Lopez, tapos kay Manuel. Kasi 80% cotton and 20% fiber siya, papaka fiber. Ito, hindi siya madaling mapunit, tapos may security ink siya. Kumbaga, kapag inilawan mo is parang makikita yung light niya, yung ink na ginamit doon. Kaya ito nagtagal din to kumpara sa Mickey Mouse Money.
1949 Central Bank Series. Ang material use is papel na gawa sa cotton at abaka. Number 2 is 1990s New Design Series. Material use is pinaghalong cotton at abaka. 1885 New Design Series. Ito naman ay papel na gawa sa halo ng cotton at linen blend. Number 4, 2010 New Generation Currency Series. Ito po ay improved cotton abaka fiber. Number 5, 2024 Polymer Series. Polymer or sintetikong plastic.
English Series 1951 to 1959. From 1953, the obverse side of the denomination featured Manuel A. Rojas, the first president of the Philippines, in the old Central Bank main office. New Design Series 1987 to 2018. The 500 peso denomination was introduced in 1987 as part of the New Design Series notes, replacing the previous inclusions in the Filipino and ang bagong lipunang series.
A scenes from the EDSA Revolution was added of the lower left of the obverse, and the Ninoy Aquino monument was added in the lower middle. The ribbons now feature in the Puerto Princesa Suburtanian River National Park in the blue knob parrot. And 2017, an updated version of the New Generation Series 500 peso banknote was issued with change in the franchise of the year of issue and the italicization of the scientific name of the ribbon site. Into 2020, an enhanced version of the 500 pesos banknote was released. It added color change in the induced patterns of the security threads. A rolling bar effect was also added in the 500 located at the upper left corner. Finally, a top light marked were placed for the elderly and the visual impaired. For Pasite marked BSP logo, which was designed in January 2021, adopted in all NGC. Banknote starting with the 2022 issue banknote featuring the signatures of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and BCP Governor Felipe Vidalana. 500 polymer banknotes. Overside, the 500 peso polymer banknotes feature the endemic and critical endangered Visayas spotted De Rosa Alfred, which is found in the lunch reforest of Panay and Negros, known for keen sense of symbolize, clarify, and shapeness. All showcase and the Acatipimium Mantenum of Endec, orchid with red stripe, yellow flowers, found across Luzon, Mindoro, Panay, Negros, and Leyte. Riverside. The Riverside highlights the Petro Princesa Subterranean River National Park and the native and critical endangered blue nep parrot Taniatums Locuneres, symbols of the country. Rich biodiversity and endangered wave, designed from southern Philippines.
Good afternoon everyone. Dumako naman po tayo sa 500 paper bills or 2010 series ni Ninoy Aquino and Cory Aquino. So, nandito yung palatandaan ng tunay na bill na sinasabi ay yung watermark. Yung watermark naman po, dito, yung mukha ni Noynoy or makikita kapag tinatapat sa ilaw. So, ang palatandaan naman ng peke sa watermark ay yung wala or hindi malinaw ang watermark. Ang pangalawa is the security thread or yung may manipis na linyang metalikong naka-embed, hindi printed. So, ang peke naman po dito yung flat, ang ink o walang nakaangat na letra. So, ang pangatlo naman yung color shifting ink or the numerong 500 kung ibaba ay nagbabago ng kulay mula gold hanggang green kapag iniikot. So, dito naman yung peke is the peking hologram o wala sa mismo. Ang pangapat is the straight through register. Ito naman kapag tiningnan sa ilaw o matatagpo ang ilang disenyo sa kaliwat kanang bahagi. Ang peke naman po dito is minsan malabo o may double print ang mga mukha. Ang panglima is the microtext. Ito yung may maliit na teksto na malinaw kung tunay pero blur kung pwede.